This is a really cool 6/8 groove, and it is less complicated than you might think. I'm saying that now because it does sound complicated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, let's break this down. 6 beats on the hi-hat or ride cymbal. I'm going to play hi-hat for our sanity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to use the tip of the stick on top of the hi-hat because we're going to be using the definition between surfaces later. Snare drum on 4. Classic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bass drum on 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, this is where things start to get a bit spicy. Got a bass drum on the and of 2 and then 3. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. Get an extra 2 at the end as well. Get that bad boy down just as a groove in general because it's pretty cool by itself. Now, the spice. You might not be able to hear what's going on here, but technically what's going on is a polyrhythm. I know, I'm excited too. We're actually doing a rock hi-hat pattern, one of these. But we're counting it over 6 beats. So you end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Which sounds real snazzy, especially if you play it between the ride bell and the ride cymbal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With the bass drum pattern. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. It's cool. I know. So there it is. Go away and enjoy.